Hi everyone, in today's video I want to take you back to Nigeria cassava starch, which is starch, how to make starch from the beginning from yuca or from cassava. So I'm going to show you the simple method of making this. Welcome to Olayemi cooking channel. My name is Olayemi. For returning viewers and new subscribers, thanks so much for your support. So we are going to be using fresh cassava to make our cassava starch, or this product is known as in Mexican is known as yuca, and this recipe is common here in the US. So I want to show you how to make this recipe using fresh cassava, or yuca as it's being called by the Mexican. So I'll show you this recipe, and we are going to have so many series on how to use yuca to make Nigeria food like fufu, gari, starch, and so many. So if you're interested, remember to subscribe to my channel and remember to like this video, and do not forget to share. So we are going to have so many recipes with this yuca or cassava. So cassava, or which is normally known, there are so many things that we use cassava to make. So I'm going to show you this fresh yuca, how to use it. So let's start making our cassava starch. So I already cut it into smaller size, so it will be easy for me to peel. So I'm going to use my knife to peel it. Then we start making our cassava starch. Let me turn it all over again. So I'm going to also be needing bowl. So I'll just peel all the back of the yuca or cassava, mostly known by we Nigerians. So this cassava starch, I'm going to show you in the next episodes or in the next series of this video on how to cook your yuca or your cassava to get your cassava starch. I'm going to show you how to cook that, how to prepare it. This cassava starch, or as we normally call it in Edo, that's Benin, people call it starch. How to make it, how to cook it, I'm going to share that with you, but I want to show you with this first episode how to make starch from the beginning. So I already finished cutting it, so I'm going to rinse my yuca or cassava. I'm going to rinse it so it will not have any dirt in it. So I already sieved the water, so we are going to put this in the blender. Then we are going to add more water to blend it. So let's just start blending this until it's very smooth. So I'm going to transfer all my cassava into my blender jar, which is known as yuca. I'm going to transfer everything. Then I'm going to add some water. A cup of water is okay. You can also use 2 cups if you want it to be very smooth, because we are going to need that. So I'm going to cover my blender jar. Please, if you are here to subscribe to my channel, please remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get updated of my new videos. So let's go straight to the blender. Let's start blending it. So remember to like this video as well, and remember to share this video with your friends to enjoy Nigeria recipe and easy way to make this. And if you are watching it anywhere, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to encourage us to do more of Nigeria recipe on how to make this from the scratch. So we are done blending it. Let's go to the other procedure of making our cassava starch. So I'm also going to be needing clean water to sieve my yuca, my blended yuca. So I'm going to need rubber band just to hold my clothes from sieving it. So let's put this back. This, we normally use this to sieve pap, ogi, but when I got this here, I find it in the store, but it's very cheap and easy to use to extract your starch. So I'm going to use this. I just use the rubber band to hold the cloth so it will not be moving all around when I'm trying to sieve my starch, my cassava starch. So I'm just going to add my blended yuca into my cloth. Then I'll extract my starch. You can as well use your hand to do this, but I'm going to use my spatula to do this. Either way is perfectly fine. So I'm just going to use my spatula to rub it, just to stir it to extract my starch from my yuca. So I'll just keep on doing this. I'll add some water, little water, just to get more starch from it. So I'll just keep on stirring this, just trying to extract that starch as much as I can. So I'll keep on doing this. If you are here to like, please like this video And if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get update of my amazing and delicious recipes. So I'll keep on stirring this to extract all the starch as much as I can. As I said, you can use your hand as well. So until we extract everything in the blender jar. So this is the outcome after doing all that. So I'm going to remove this from the cloth, then I'll just put it in a clean bowl. We are done with this. There are so many recipes that are going to come out from Yuca, but I just want you to get the first episodes of Yuca recipe and first episode of this cassava. So this is the outcome after everything, after saving everything in my blender. So I'm going to allow this to rest for 2 hours. So this is the outcome after 2 hours. So we are going to extract the water to get our cassava starch, which is yuca starch or starch. So in my next episode on this yuca, I'm going to show you how to cook starch, which is data starch or Edo starch. In Edo, we call it usi, and it's very delicious. You can eat it with pepper soup, you can eat it with banga soup. I'm going to show you all those recipes one after the other. If you're interested, do not forget to subscribe to get updated of my amazing Nigerian recipe. So I'm going to put it in a clean bowl so you see the outcome of our starch, which is, you see, very easy to make and very simple to prepare. I'm going to show you how to cook this as well. Very simple as well. So if you're interested, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get updated of my next recipe on how to cook starch, which is data starch or Nigeria amazing recipe. So I'll put it in a bowl. Please remember to drop any comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this recipe before we continue with the second episode of this yuca or cassava. So I just use my spoon to remove it from the bowl because it's very hard. So this is the soft yuca, and this is how to make yuca at home, and very simple and very easy to make. Thanks so much for watching this my Nigeria starch recipe. Hope to see you all in my next video. Please make me happy by subscribing to my channel. Hope to see you all in my next video on how to cook Nigeria starch, and bye bye.